What's something people don't know about combating stress and fatigue? It's easier than you think with Nagano Tonic. Life can get pretty overwhelming, right? Long workdays, endless to-do lists, and that constant feeling of exhaustion. But what if you could restore your inner balance naturally? Introducing Nagano Tonic, a potent blend of plant extracts, herbs, and probiotics designed to fight stress and boost your energy levels. With ingredients like camu camu, mangosteen, and ashwagandha, this Japanese elixir doesn't just help you feel more energized, it rejuvenates your entire body. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the world. That's what Nagano Tonic can do for you. Customer testimonials? They rave about increased vitality and a renewed zest for life. So why not join them? Reclaim your energy, combat fatigue, and live vibrantly with Nagano Tonic. Click the link below in the description now and start your journey to a stress-free, energized life. Nagano Tonic, restore your inner balance today.